Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So we got a bit of a move yesterday. We have found support, and that is this level here on the 8-hour. Oscillators are still indicating there's probably a little bit more to go. So on the lower time frames, trend is to the downside, but on the 8-hour, pay attention to small bar, bigger bar, biggest bar. So normally you want that going in the opposite direction. So you want to start with big bars and then gradually get to small bars. So that could be an exhaustion bar. We do have an inside bar here at this level. That was all related to data yesterday. And then we have non-farm payrolls this afternoon. So you could expect it to either plummet very quickly or alternatively bounce off here. Last thing you need to pay attention to here is this trend line. Okay, we're not on the trend line just yet, but we are fairly close to it, so pay very careful attention to this. Right, down to the 3-hour, and you can see small bar, small bar, small bar data, hit a level, bounced immediately, drifted sideways. Okay, so that's kind of the lay of the land for me. If I look at the oscillators, they are grouped to the downside. We are in between the moving averages, so that is an indication that we could possibly range, which we probably will do until the jobs number comes out, and then we need to see what that happens. So if non-farm payrolls comes out with a number which is not what the market's expecting, then you can expect some volatility. But I would stay out of this until that data is finalized, to be honest. Can go either way. So looking at the 1 hour, the logical area for our shorts is up there. That's a little bit far away, so we need to have a look at what's here just underneath the moving averages. You can see we've crossed over on the slow moving averages. Now we're crossing over with the 155. So this is starting to set up for another push down. We do have a strong bit of support here, and then obviously we've got this trend line. So need to pay attention to this area for profit taking, but what we're looking for is some area up here where we can look for the shorts. So this area up here is logical, 44.33, but it's just a little bit too far away. Basically roads most of the move from yesterday. So if we get down to the 15 minutes, and don't forget to hit that like button for us and share on social media. And even better, drop us your comments. And I like to see what everybody else is thinking as well. Helps me keep sane. So at the moment, we can just fine tune that because there's the actual level. But what we need to do is just head to the left, and you will find some structure here. So let's just put that zone in. There is some zone there, and I don't see anything else. So that's for support at the downside. What we're looking for, I suppose that could work. What we're looking for, sorry, is an area for rejection. So there is a little bit of structure here. So there's the two levels we need to pay attention: 4422 and 4423. But pay attention to this. Look at the moving averages. They're all flat and prices in amongst it. That is just an indication that we are sort of going into a squeeze. It doesn't matter which strategy you look at. The fact is we're ranging right now, and it could possibly just continue right the way through the data. It often happens. So yeah, if we get it back above these two levels, then obviously moves to the upside is on the cards. But yeah, if the data is really bad, we shoot down, we bounce, then you'd be looking to sell off one of these levels as well. What could also happen is you could have negative data and it shoots up first, and then the sellers get in and drive it down. Getting down into this space at 43.67, I would be very cautious, but not quite there, a little bit higher up. So this area here, 43.70, I'd be very cautious because that could very well be an ambush area for a move to the upside. Remember, 8-hour trend is up until we break through last week's low. Until that happens, the trend is still up. This is a pullback in a bull trend. Anyway, guys, lots of data still. We've got earnings coming up upon us, so volatility is going to kick in now, and different time frames giving you different signals. So keep your position size small, keep your stops close, and only trade off the levels. Don't try and jump in the middle of nowhere. That's going to get you burnt. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.